Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your wishlist on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your username. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile page where you can view all your public information and customize various settings. Once you're on your profile page, look to the right side of the screen. You'll notice an Edit Profile button there. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can make changes to how your profile appears to others and adjust your privacy preferences. It's the central hub for managing your Steam identity and what information you choose to share with the community. After clicking Edit Profile, you'll be taken to a new page with several options. On the left side of this page, you'll see a menu with different sections. Click on Privacy Settings. This section is crucial because it controls who can see different aspects of your Steam account, from your game library to your friends list and everything in between. Now within the privacy settings page, navigate to Game Details. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Private from the available options. This is an important setting because your wishlist is actually part of your game details. By setting game details to private, you're effectively hiding your wishlist from public view along with other game-related information. This means that other Steam users won't be able to see what games you're interested in or planning to purchase, giving you complete privacy over your gaming preferences. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your wishlist on Steam by adjusting your game details privacy settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.